Want to create eye-catching social media graphics without hiring a designer? Figma makes it easy to design professional posts for Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and other platforms using templates, components, and powerful design tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create social media posts in Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Figma account and create a new design file. Then use the frame tool to select a canvas size that matches the social media platform you're designing for. Choosing the correct dimensions helps your post display properly after it's uploaded. Next, create the basic layout of your post by adding a background, text areas, image placeholders, buttons, or other design elements you want to include. Starting with a simple structure makes the rest of the design process much easier. Now insert your photos, icons, logos, and text. Customize the fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment so everything matches your brand or personal style. Keeping your design clean and readable helps grab attention as people scroll through their feeds. Apply finishing touches by adding shapes, gradients, shadows, illustrations, or other visual effects. You can also use components and plugins to speed up your workflow. Take a moment to zoom out and review the overall balance of your design. Before exporting, double-check your spelling, alignment, and spacing. Then open the export section, choose a format like PNG or JPG, and export your design. Exporting at a higher resolution can help your graphics look sharper on social media. Once your design has been exported, upload it to your favorite social media platform or share it with your team for feedback before publishing. So you've successfully created a social media post in Figma. And that's how to create social media posts in Figma. With the right layout, colors, typography, and visuals, you can design professional content that's ready to publish across multiple platforms. The more you experiment with different templates and styles, the faster you'll create eye-catching designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.